Ready to ditch the boring highway and discover the unforgettable sights that lie just off the beaten path? Today, we're diving into Road Trippers, the ultimate app for planning epic road trips, uncovering hidden gems, and crafting personalized travel itineraries. First, download Road Trippers from your app store and create an account. You can sign up for free. The heart of Road Trippers is its interactive map. Start by entering your starting point and destination, then explore all the quirky roadside attractions, scenic viewpoints, and local eateries marked with unique icons. Road Trippers has millions of locations, so be sure to explore. Tap on any point of interest to reveal photos, descriptions, user reviews, and even estimated visit times. This helps you decide which stops are worth adding to your adventure. Once you find some places you like, start building your itinerary. Simply click the plus button next to a location to add it to your trip. You can then rearrange the order and optimize your route for the most efficient travel. Road Trippers can even calculate gas costs. Don't just take Road Trippers' word for it. Dive into the user reviews to see what other travelers have experienced. Filter by rating to find the truly exceptional spots. And there you have it, a personalized road trip itinerary filled with unique destinations. All thanks to Road Trippers. Now go explore, discover, and create some unforgettable memories on the open road. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips.